Hi guys, this is my Victor wildlife camera or trail camera. I've used it on quite a few videos. You may or may not know my opinions of it. It's okay, I think is the best way I can put it. It's not good, but it's not too bad. Anyway, one thing it does have in its favour, a little thing, is it comes with a very long strap. So you can strap it to a reasonable sized tree, which is fine, but when you want to strap it to something fairly small, you end up with a load of this webbing blowing in the breeze unless you tie it in knots. Now, this is another one that I've shortened, but it's still too long for a lot of the things I want to do with it. In the garden, I just use a fairly small post to put it on, so I only need about that much. Well, a little bit to pull through as well. And I was looking at where I could get these from, so I could cut this up and make some shorter ones. And obviously it occurred to me that I could 3D print one. Now, I don't think this is going to be very strong, and I might thicken it up to add a bit more strength to it anyway, but this is my first attempt. Fresh off the 3D printer, so I haven't cleared the support stuff out the way yet, and it'll probably break as I try and get the support stuff off. In fact, it'd probably be best if I do that off screen so I don't swear when it breaks. So I'll clear the support stuff off and we'll see if it works. We'll come back in a minute. Well, that cleaned up quite nicely and it hasn't broken yet. I expect it to break on the joins here. So I need a bit of strap that I can try it on. We have a piece that goes around there like that. So that holds that end. In fact, if we use this one just for demonstration purposes, so that's going to hold that end, and then the other end, use the other strap for, comes in, round, and out again. So when you pull it, that pulls down and locks it in position. Now that appears to be working, and I'm pulling quite hard. I expect it will break, but I think I might give that a try. Looking at it, I can see that I could reshape it a little bit. Try and line them up together. Don't need it to be quite as deep as I've made it. But that looks like that might work. And I've just realised I was saying that this was two separate straps that I've got here, because I've actually got two of these cameras, but it isn't. This one is the one that I've cut off of there, so it was even longer originally. And that's the shortened version. For simplicity, I've just super glued that together rather than sewing it like they do there. So that's not going to be terribly strong. But it's probably going to be as strong as that PLA. So that's going to go through there. Round a piece of wood. Up through there. Down through there. Probably too small a piece of wood to do it on. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit bigger just so I can actually get some tension on it. Yeah, I think I could make that lower. I think I've been over generous height wise. Oh, that's come up quite nicely. Yeah, okay. I expect that to break, but now that I've printed one and done the design, I should be able to adjust it, thicken up the bits that break when they do break, and improve it. So there we are in position to look at the bird food. I've still got a bit left over. We tuck in there out the way. Yeah, I think that does the job. We'll see how long it lasts. I've no idea how weatherproof it is. I think it'll degrade in sunlight if nothing else. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.